Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch Trail. I've been working very hard on the chicken coop lately. I might be talking a little fast. There's a huge storm or something blowing up here, and the wind has been terrible for a bunch of hours now. I'm just trying to get some stuff done and buttoned up, literally. So the door is on, my friends, with a nice little snapperizer thing, yep, so I put a new window here also. It's a third window, and I'm just about to put in this panel here, at least for now. It's not very weatherproof, but I need to button this up before something really pours around here. The roof is on now, not protected yet though. I'm going to try to cover that with a tarp before it rains. So stay with us on a Touch Not Trail. Let me just take a look inside here. Sort of a wreck of a tool shed, but this is it, my friends. We're looking pretty tight so far here. Not air-wise, of course, as you can see, but yep, I'm pretty happy with the progress. Please subscribe. Thank you.